Hello, my name is Stacia, and this is my public policy proposal presentation on New World Screwworm. Today, I want to draw your attention to the New World Screwworm, a serious pest that poses urgent challenges to animal health and food safety. This parasitic fly infests warm-blooded animals, including livestock and even humans, leading to painful infections. The economic consequences are significant, not only affecting animal health, but also the livelihoods of farmers and ranchers. Infected animals can incur hefty medical costs and decrease productivity, impacting the agricultural supply chain. Moreover, the risk of pathogen transmission to humans heightens public health concerns. To address this pressing issue, we must unite our efforts to enhance surveillance, research, and education. By fostering collaboration among veterinary, agricultural, and public health sectors, we can develop effective control measures to protect both our animals and communities. Thank you. The health of our livestock is vital not only for farmers' livelihoods, but also for the entire food supply chain. Outbreaks of disease can cause immense financial losses and threaten consumer safety. We have a critical responsibility to uphold the integrity of our food system. By investing in biosecurity, vaccination, and disease management, we empower farmers to safeguard animal health and public well-being. Together, let's champion research and education to build resilient agricultural practices by protecting our livestock from New World Screwworm. The emergence of New World Screwworm as a public health concern requires our immediate action. This threat poses significant health risks, particularly to our most vulnerable populations. We must prioritize their safety through effective prevention strategies and empower communities with education and awareness to recognize and respond to this challenge. Now is the time to unite as advocates for public health, ensuring swift and coordinated responses. Together, we can build a healthier and safer future for all. The call to action is clear. Stand up, speak out, and take decisive steps to combat the threat of this pesky new screwworm in our communities. Our New World Screwworm policy objectives are clear and resolute. Prevention, swift response, effective treatment, and education. We can't stand idly by as this threat looms. Our commitment to prevention will be unwavering, ensuring robust measures are in place to protect our communities. When faced with an outbreak, we will respond with unparalleled speed and efficiency, mobilizing resources to contain and eliminate the threat of this little pest. Our dedication to effective treatment will ensure that those affected receive the best care possible. Through education, we will empower individuals and communities with the knowledge they need to recognize, respond, and prevent future reoccurrences. Our New World Screwworm policy implementation strategy is a bold and transformative approach centered on surveillance, monitoring, and control measures, utilizing the sterile insect technique. We will deploy cutting-edge surveillance systems to identify and track screwworm populations, ensuring we stay one step ahead of this threat. Through vigorous monitoring, we will assess the effectiveness of our strategies and adapt in real time to maximize our impact. The sterile insect technique will be our frontline defense, deploying sterile males to disrupt reproduction and significantly reduce populations. This innovative and environmentally friendly approach will not only protect public health, but also promote ecological balance. Our New World Screwworm initiative is a powerful call to action for public education and community engagement. By launching comprehensive awareness campaigns, we will empower individuals and communities with the knowledge that they need to recognize, prevent, and respond to the threat of the New World Screwworm. The fight against New World Screwworm is a collective effort that unites key responsible parties in a committed initiative. USDA leading national efforts to develop and implement effective strategies for surveillance, monitoring, and control. State ag departments will collaborate with local producers to ensure best practices in prevention and response are adapted through the ag community. Producers serving as the frontline defenders by integrating sustainable practices and reporting any infestations promptly. Then we have our local governments, mobilizing resources, providing support, and facilitating community engagement in order to enhance public awareness and safety. Finally, community organizations such as NCBA or Nebraska Cattlemen's or RCAF are empowering residents through education and outreach programs to recognize and respond to the New World screwworm threat. In the face of New World screwworm threat, a multi-agency, multi-country approach is not just important, it is essential. This collaborative effort harnesses the strengths and expertise of various stakeholders from governmental organizations to agricultural bodies across the borders. By pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and implementing coordinated strategies, we can enhance surveillance and control measures effectively. This unified front allows us to respond swiftly to outbreaks, ensuring that no region is left vulnerable. It fosters innovative, shared research and best practices, amplifying our impact on public health and agricultural resilience. Together, we can build a comprehensive response that transcends national boundaries, safeguarding communities and ecosystems globally. The success of our New World screwworm policy hinges on the importance of public engagement and approval. Gaining community buy-in is crucial for fostering trust and collaboration in efforts to combat this threat. When the public is informed and actively involved, they become essential partners in implementing of policies, practices that protect the health and livelihoods. Engaging the community ensures their voices are heard, concerns are addressed, and solutions are tailored to meet their unique needs. This participation not only enhances the effectiveness of our initiatives, but also cultivates a sense of ownership and responsibility among members. By prioritizing public approval and engagement, we create a united front against New World screwworm, empowering individuals and communities to take proactive steps in safeguarding their environment and well-being. Empowering participants to voice their concerns is vital in shaping New World screwworm public policy. By actively engaging community members and stakeholders alike, we create a platform where their insights and experiences drive meaningful change. We recognize that every concern raised is an opportunity for improvement, fostering a collaborative environment that prioritizes transparency and inclusivity. By listening to the voices of those affected, we can develop targeted strategies that address specific challenges, ensuring that the public policy not only meets regulatory standards, but also resonates with the community's needs. Evaluation and monitoring are crucial for the success of New World screwworm public policy. Key elements include tracking the reduction of infestations, fostering community engagement, utilizing feedback mechanisms for adaptive strategies, analyzing data to inform decisions, and ensuring compliance. By prioritizing these aspects, we enhance our response and safeguard community health and safety. Continuous improvement in food safety is crucial in tackling the New World screwworm threat. Key aspects include enhancing food safety practices, committing to learning and research, incorporating best practices, maintaining agility in operations, providing regular training, and fostering a culture of innovation. By embracing these principles, we can create a resilient food safety system that protects public health and effectively addresses emerging challenges. A coordinated response is essential in food production and public health to tackle complex challenges. Collaboration among agricultural producers, food safety professionals, regulatory agencies, and public health entities enhance food safety protocols and safeguards the food supply chain. By sharing best practices and leveraging technologies, proactive measures can protect public health and promote sustainable agriculture. Ongoing education and research dissemination empowers stakeholders to adapt evidence-based practices that align food safety regulations with agricultural productivity. Ultimately, this unified approach fosters a resilient food system that supports public well-being and the future of agriculture. Thank you.